Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the sunny side of things and uncovering how sunburn secretly harms your DNA. Okay, so we've all been there. That day at the beach or just forgetting sunscreen on a sunny afternoon, suddenly, ouch! Red, painful sunburn. But what's really happening beneath the surface of your skin? Let's break it down. When you're out in the sun, you're exposed to ultraviolet or UV rays. There are two main types, UVA and UVB. UVB is the big culprit behind sunburns. These rays penetrate the top layers of your skin and can mess with your DNA. That's right, your DNA. So how does it happen? When UVB rays hit your skin, they damage the DNA inside your skin cells. Imagine it like this. Your DNA is a ladder with rungs. UVB rays can break these rungs, causing mutations. These mutations can lead to cells growing abnormally and, over time, might even lead to skin cancer. Scary, huh? Now, your body is pretty amazing. It has repair mechanisms to fix minor DNA damage. Think of it like a repairman fixing a broken ladder. But if the damage is too extensive or happens too often, the repairman can't keep up. That's when the risk of skin cancer increases. But wait, there's more. UVA rays are sneakier. They penetrate deeper into the skin, affecting the collagen and elastin. This leads to premature aging, which means wrinkles and sagging skin. So, while you might not see immediate damage, UVA rays are silently speeding up the aging process. Here's what you can do to protect yourself. Always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen. This means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Look for at least SPF 30 and reapply every 2 hours, or more if you're swimming or sweating. Wear protective clothing like hats and sunglasses. And of course, seek shade during peak sun hours, usually 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. In the end, sunburn is more than just a temporary pain. It's a sign of serious damage happening in your skin cells. So next time you head out, arm yourself with sunscreen and protect your precious DNA. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe out there. Catch you next time.